Sun City, Sun City. The light lights the park and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, 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 Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright. It doesn't mean we should fight. Shine your light, show your might. Sun City, Sun City, Sun City. Shine your light. Sing your noise.
No introduction. I am Tsotsoo, a third-year psychology student. I have been in the center of many controversies, but in all, I have remained tight-lipped for such a time like this.
You know, there's been something bothering me all evening. I must share it with you.
What is this?
It's our brother Kujonponsa.
Yes.
I believe he's backsliding.
What is the charge?
Did you see him here today?
No, but
And yesterday, I took the trouble to go to his room. You won't believe what I saw.
What did you see?
Kujonponsa was actually entertaining a lady in his room.
Kujonponsa having a female visitor?
Yes. My roommate, Tsotsoo. I reminded him of today's rehearsal. He said he would come. But obviously, he didn't.
Are you trying to tell us that Kojo Amponsa is having an affair with Tsotsoo?
Tempest haste, lest you stumble. Do not hang the man until you have heard his side of the story. In any case, why the hullabaloo about Amponsa having a female visitor? What is wrong with that?
Look at the way she dresses.
Sister Nicola, aren't you stretching this too far? Anyway, be careful you don't become judgmental. For we are all sinners in the sight of God.
Come on, brother. That girl is her roommate, and I'm sure Sister Nicola knows her very well.
Wherever you concentrate or hold your thoughts, that is where you create an image of what you want. And that is what you will get.
Folks, are you wondering why everyone is discussing me? It's simple. It's about my relationship with Kujonponsa, a medical student. Not only have I introduced Kojo to all my friends, I've actually taken him home to introduce him to my mom.
Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City.
This is good food. One of my favorites. Mom, I like your cooking.
Thank you. I'm so relieved. She told me you wanted a banco and tilapia. And I thought we should keep that for a very special day. Okay. Anyway, the person you should be commending really is Tsotsoo. She did the stew. All I did was boil the yam.
Who should be commended, the teacher or the student? Therein lies the dilemma, you know. Anyway. At this point, who would believe my relationship with Kojo is only platonic? That is how perverse our society is. We usually judge people with prima facie evidence.
You're okay, that's right. Yes.
Hey, Kojo. Oh, yes. I do. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Very good, very good.
Thank you, Mr. King.
Oh, yeah, sure. Don't mention
you.
me. Don't mention.
A surprise. A pleasant surprise. Papa, this Miss Ai.
Oh.
Tsotsoo, my father.
Pleased to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Hey, Papa.
Perhaps, let me utilize this opportunity to explain why my relationship with Kojo is ironic, perhaps controversial. First, Kojo belongs to Campus SC. In that group is a lady by name Nicola Blankson, whom I strongly believe has an eye for my Kojo. Interestingly, this lady is my roommate.
Tsotsoo, don't go with Uncle Eton. What? It is possessed with the spirit of Jezebel. I just had a vision about it.
The trick of it.
Mind
your own business, okay?
Tsotsoo! Oh, Shakataramam. I bind the spirit of Jezebel. I bind the spirit. Aish! Ay, Kapura Baba Shaya!
My roommate Nicola has been spying on Kojo and I on so many occasions.
Come on, the weekend wouldn't be enough.
So how
Just
long?
a whole week.
The whole week?
Yes.
Would that be okay with your friends?
That's right. My father is very, accommodating.
Oh, really?
That's right.
And how big is the place? Really big?
Yes, I'll take you around everywhere.
Oh, that's
Anyway,
nice.
take good care of yourself.
I will. She actually nearly once collapsed when she saw me in Kwejo's room. That was so funny.
Sorry.
Don't worry, the Lord is in control. Is Kwejo in?
Kwejo, actually, he's in his room.
Okay, thank you. Come in. Jesus!
My relationship with Kwejo has given Sister Nicola uncountable nightmares.
Yes, come in.
Oh, sorry I woke you up.
Never mind. Have a seat.
Thank you. Is your roommate gone?
Yeah, he left the store.
Oh, so you are all alone?
For the next 4 weeks, yes. That's when the medical school breaks. When are you going?
I'll stay an extra week to attend the charismatic convention on campus.
Oh, yeah.
So, you can come and see me when you need anything. I mean, anything.
Thanks very much, Sister Nicola.
You're always welcome, Kwejo. But I've still been having bad dreams about you.
Come again?
This morning's was the worst.
I'll always be there. Call me, okay?
I will. Oh my God.
See you.
I dreamt you were being swallowed by a big red python.
Red python?
It had 2 large horns as well. And the beast has swallowed half of your body. I woke up thrashing. I've been fasting since morning, Kwejo. Let us pray. Lord, we thank you. Sharita Pura Baba say. Oh, Jesus. Jesus, Sharita Pura Baba Sharia.
Interesting, isn't it? It's not Sister Nicola alone who is worried about my relationship with Kwejo. There are those who don't understand why I don't like guys like Percy and the like, who are supposedly richer and smarter, but will settle for a guy like Kwejo. Monkey no fine, my mommy like him, in quotes.
Charlie Malo, to show the maximum 2 weeks should be mine.
Percy,
Yeah, man.
careful about that girl. I told you before, and I'm telling you again.
Why? You don't trust me. This be Percy, man.
That girl be first class bouncer.
Not me. She the shy self. Bounce Percy. You talk as if you don't know me, Charlie.
Because of this, all the members of his clique would take advantage of every situation. But do I mind?
Caught in the act.
The boys will love this.
Isn't that your roommate's girlfriend?
So it will seem.
Little did they know that Kwejo knew about the trip with my cousin, whom those gossips assumed was my boyfriend.
So how was the trip?
Pleasant. I wish you had come though. Well, he's at home. I left him in Mom's care. I guess you'll be fine. Yeah, that reminds me. Michael wants to meet you, you know. He's offered to buy us lunch.
That's nice of him.
He's become so mature now. He used to be such a freak before he left for the US. He's my favorite cousin though.
Lucky him.
Funny, he said the same thing about you as I kept mentioning your name.
Sure.
Yeah. Good joke.
That's my girl.
But would any of these assumptions and cowardly suspicions mar my relationship with Kojo? Definitely not. So long as I know I'm not doing anything untoward, I couldn't be bothered much what people would say. Want to know what will happen next? Just keep watching Sun City.
Sun City, Sun City. The light lights the park and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, 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 Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright. It doesn't mean we should fight. Shine your light, show your might.